fried chicken and salted egg coating. That is for today's video, so come on guys. Join me so I can share you this easy recipe. Let's begin. So let's prepare the chicken. Any part will do. Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of chicken powder, a tablespoon of fine black pepper powder, and 2 pieces of eggs. Mix them well to the chicken. Ensure that everything is coated evenly for best result. Prepare another set of flour, about a cup, and another 2 tablespoons of chicken powder. No need to add salt in this recipe. Coat all the chicken in this powder mix. Make sure to coat them evenly. Now, heat the oil. The best temperature for frying is 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, or you can dip a stick like I did in this video. You can now fry the chicken. Fry until its skin turns golden brown. But just to make sure that the chicken is cooked all through the inside, you can poke them by fork or knife. Moving forward. Next step is to melt the butter on the same pan or wok. More butter. Much better. Then add the salted egg yolk. I use 6 eggs for a kilo of chicken in this video. Salted eggs are a good source of protein. However, they are very high in sodium and cholesterol, so they should be consumed in moderation, especially by individuals with heart conditions or high blood pressure. So, there you have it folks, another quick and appetizing recipe. I hope you can join me again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Bye guys.